Alright guys, so today I want to show you how I've been swapping different crypto into Monero, XMR. Doesn't really matter if you're holding Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, or something else. If you've already got MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or any similar wallet, that's honestly enough to get started. So getting crypto into XMR should feel simple, but for a lot of users it doesn't. Everything seems fine until Monero comes into the picture. You search for a solution, open a couple of websites, watch a few videos, and somehow a basic swap suddenly turns into installing another wallet, reading setup guides, downloading extra software, and you're sitting there thinking, why is this taking so long? So I ended up in exactly the same situation. I needed to swap into XMR a few weeks ago. Figured it'd take a couple of minutes. Turned out I spent way longer comparing options than actually making the swap. And after trying a few services, this is the one I stayed with, mostly because it keeps the whole process simple. No unnecessary steps before you even begin. No converting into another asset first. You just use the crypto that's already sitting in wallet. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. And watch until the end because there are a couple of small things I'd rather point out now than have you run into them later. I'll pin the official link below the video because fake crypto sites are everywhere now, and some of them honestly look almost identical to the real ones. So before connecting your wallet or confirming anything, always take a second to make sure you're on the correct website. Okay, over here, I'm picking the asset I want to exchange. One thing that's really convenient is the number of supported networks. I don't have to stop halfway through and swap into some other token before I can finally get XMR. Everything starts from the crypto I already have. Now I'll enter the amount, and there it is. Estimated XMR updates immediately using the current exchange rate. And if we scroll down a little, there's also a list of live Monero pairs. I don't spend a lot of time there myself, but it's nice having everything in one place if you want to compare rates. All right, now I'm connecting the wallet. Here I select the network and wallet I'm sending the crypto from. So I'll click swap. Now this confirmation window pops up. I always give it one last look before approving anything. Just the amount, destination wallet, network. Takes maybe 5 seconds, but it's a good habit to have. And there it is. XMR just landed in the wallet. Honestly, that's exactly why I keep using this platform. The swap doesn't feel like a project. I don't have to bounce between different services. I don't have to prepare assets beforehand. I open the platform, choose what I'm swapping, confirm it, wait a few minutes, and that's basically the whole experience. Hopefully seeing it from start to finish makes everything a little clearer. If you're still wondering about something, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I've been using this method for the past few weeks, and every time I needed to move into Monero, the process stayed just as straightforward. And one last thing before I wrap this up. Before putting this video together, I tested different assets, different networks, and several swaps over time just to see how it handled everything. And after using it myself, I can comfortably say it's become one of the easiest ways I've found to exchange crypto into XMR. Thanks for watching.